Now look at this. This card is similar to this diagram here. The diagram is saying it is flipped over its top edge. What is the top edge? This is the top edge of this card. Flip meaning turn it over. This is how you flip something over its top edge. Now we have flipped it over its top edge. The second instruction is then flipped over its left edge. This is the right edge, this is the left edge. We have to flip it over to the left edge. So when we will flip it over to the left edge, the card will look something like this. Now you have to match this shape, this orientation with the given options. Option number A, no. B, yes. Option number B is the correct answer. Triangle is inverted, square and circle are as it is. All of the other options are incorrect. Option number B is the correct option. 5. The 5 keys fit the 5 padlocks. The numbers on the keys refer to the letters on the padlocks. What is written on the last key? Look at the keys here. All of these keys are numbered except the last one, and we have to find out the number of this key. You can also see that on these padlocks there is the name written, okay? And the names are in English alphabets. Now, in order to solve this particular MCQ, you have to number these alphabets. In English language, we study alphabets. What is the number of alphabet A in English language alphabets? 1. The number of this alphabet is 1. D is number 2 in English alphabets. C is missing here. So what will be the number of alphabet D? 4. And what is the number of H? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. The number of H will be 8. Keeping these numbering of the alphabets in mind, we will now move to the solution. Look at the name of this padlock, DAD, meaning D is number 4, A is number 1, and D once again is number 4. 414 is the key to this padlock. Okay. Number 3, A, B, D, 1, 2, 4. Key number 1 to 4 is this. AHD 184. Key number 184 will unlock this padlock. 812. Where is key number 812? Here it is. It will unlock this padlock. Only this lock is remaining, and this key will unlock this padlock. What will be the number of this padlock? 284. So the number of the last key will be 284, which will, as you saw, we have worked out the number of this last key whose number was not mentioned at first. This key will now unlock this remaining lock. So what will be the final answer? Option number C, meaning 284 is the correct option. Okay, we have now solved the whole worksheet. Best of luck.